Well, piston's on the right way. Everything looks good in here. Take the intake off later. Ooh. Cylinder looks perfect. The cylinder looks perfect in there. I don't know if you could see in there. Cylinder's no markings. It looks brand new. You know what? I think this is what happened, if I remember right. I think what homie told me was that he said the oil pump failed on him, and he thinks the bike seized. But really no signs of it seizing. Maybe right there. But the cylinder itself looks fine. Yeah, this crank looks literally brand new. Wow. Top performance.